Connecting your PS4 to your laptop wirelessly.
Hello and welcome, dear viewers. Today, we're tackling an interesting question. Can you use a wireless connection to connect your PS4 to your laptop? Let's explore this topic further.
Can a PS4 connect to a laptop wirelessly?
The short answer is, it's not as straightforward as you might hope. A PS4 cannot directly connect to a laptop wirelessly in the same way it connects to a Wi-Fi network or another device via Bluetooth. The PS4 and a laptop use different kinds of wireless protocols that don't inherently communicate.
What options are available then?
Although a direct wireless connection may not be possible, you can indeed interact with your PS4 from your laptop via a wireless network. This can be done through the Remote Play feature. Remote Play allows you to stream your PS4 games on a laptop or PC, giving you the ability to play your games from your computer.
How to set up Remote Play?
1. First, ensure both your PS4 and laptop are connected to the same wireless network. 2. Then, download and install the PS4 Remote Play app on your laptop. It's an official app by Sony. 3. After that, sign in to your PlayStation Network (PSN) account on the Remote Play app. 4. Finally, turn on your PS4 and wait for the Remote Play app to detect and establish a connection with your PS4. While it's not possible to directly connect your PS4 to your laptop wirelessly in a traditional sense, Sony's Remote Play feature provides a viable and practical alternative. With Remote Play, your PS4 games are never out of reach, whether you're in another room or on the go. We hope this video has helped clarify the options available to you. Keep gaming!